Well, today we're taking off these tires that expired in the dinosaur years because they got broken belts on them. See that hump right there? Yeah, it's yeah. And bought the cheapest things I could find. Were some Maypops. I mean, Goodyear Reliants. Just, they're round and they're rubber. 215, 70, 15. So, trying to get this old beauty running and on the road again for a new driver. Ain't a pass license yet. It's a 4-cylinder, 5-speed. Good old GMC Sonoma. Surprisingly looks very good to be a 94. But yeah, we gotta do a little cleaning to it. But and get this camper shell off the back of it to ease up on some weight. But the tires, I don't think this thing's run since 2018, but we're gonna try to get her going. So that's the new project. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you tell that hump right there? This is higher than that. It's blowed out. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. So it has 205 75, and I'm gonna put 215 70, and see if we can get some pep back in the old girl. Yep.